Modern science does not believe in many concepts which have been there since ages, as they do not have enough evidence to prove it. One such thing is God and the prayers people do. But can we explain them in terms of modern science, how prayers work, how being spiritual improves life of many, and what is the scientific basis of spirituality? Spiritual persons follow a religion and believe in something supreme which can control anything that is going on this planet. They follow a ritual and pray to that supreme power which they believe in, may it be Bhagwan or Paramatma or various Hindu gods and goddesses, may it be Jesus Christ or Allah or Lord Buddha. Whenever these spiritual people encounter adversities in their life, they turn to their supreme power for support. They pray to them to make everything right once again in their lives. They believe in it, they put their faith in it. This helps in reducing the stress and anxiety they are going through in their difficult times. And by reduction in this stress and anxiety, the secretion of stress hormones is decreased and they maintain a normal hormonal homeostasis, which in turn improves their immunity and they maintain a better physical and mental health. Modern science has used placebo drugs for long in treatment of various physical and mental disorders which have shown to be beneficial in various studies over time. What is a placebo drug? It is nothing. It is a pill or elixir containing no medicine in it, but the patient is not aware of this fact and he just believes he is taking medicine to cure his disease and improve his health. And many a times patients improve on these placebos. It is the belief and the faith in that placebo drug which improves the health. Similarly, when a person believes in something supreme to which he bows down, he believes his sorrow will be taken care of by this power. He prays with the faith that it will be heard and his difficulties will somehow vanish. This gives him all the effect a placebo drug can give. He is more confident, he doesn't get depressed or psychotic, and his mental health is maintained. Various scientific studies have already proven that spiritual persons live longer, live happier, and suffer from lesser ailments as compared to persons who do not believe in anything but science. So we can debate, is there a supreme power or not? Does God really exist? But one thing is clear, there are numerous benefits of believing in one. It doesn't matter which religion we follow, which deity we believe in, but it is the faith which makes us mentally as well as physically stronger and healthier. So keep praying. Thanks.